This video is a step-by-step guide on how to upload video to your YouTube channel. I choose to make this tutorial for a whole lot of people that don't know how to upload, optimize, and to generate tags effectively. This video will help you. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to like if this video is helpful. So once you now log on to youtube.com, you navigate, click on your icon, and you now click on YouTube Studio. So once you click on your YouTube Studio, there is an icon here, upload video. You click on it. So once you click on it, you click on select file, or you can also click at this point. So it will now take you to where you now select your file. So once you select your file, you click on open. Automatically, your video will start uploading. So the first provision here is your title. So after entering your title, how to add tax information to AdSense 2023, the description will be something like, you make sure you indicate your keyword in your description. So once you indicate or you input your video description, you can as well back them up with hashtag like AdSense, hashtag like YouTube, hashtag like tax. So now after you proceed and you now input your thumbnail. So once you input your thumbnail, you now create a playlist. If you don't have an existing playlist, you now create one. So you click on create playlist. Not podcast, it is playlist. So you click on it. Then the playlist should be Google AdSense tutorials. So once you input it that way, you can as well make use of the description is not optional, but if you choose to make description, you explain what the playlist is all about. So once you indicate that, you click on create. Then you click on done. The next step is for you to select whether this video is meant for kids or not. And since this is a tutorial for AdSense, it is not made for kids. So you click on learn more to proceed. So there's a provision to add tags. Now I have a website for you that generates free tags. So once you head on to this website, it is 2pockets.com. You can input your keyword. So how to add tax information in Google AdSense. So you click I'm not a robot check. Then you now generate tags. So once you scroll down, you see a lot of information regarding your topic. So you copy and you now proceed to your video. You now paste. Now this video language is English. The date, you select today's date, then you now proceed. The license, now I always use it as a standard YouTube license. If you select Creative Commons attribution, that shows somebody have the right to make use of your video. So if you want somebody now to remix this as short, you allow the video, but in my own case I don't want, so I will click on don't allow remixing. So now the category of this tutorial, it is an educational content. So I will now proceed. After entering all the information, I will proceed and I'll click on next. Now the second part now is the monetization tab. You click the drop down icon, you click on, you turn on monetization. Now this video is more than 8 minutes, so I'm eligible to mid-row ad. So I'll click on manage mid-rows. It is not optional. You can as well leave it for YouTube to allocate ads. But in my own case, I prefer adding ads after 2 minutes. You click on ad break. You proceed to 4 minutes. You click on ad break. Then probably 6 minutes. You click on another ad break. This will enable your RPM and it also increase your revenue. So after the whole process, you click on continue. Then you click on next. Now you need to ensure that you select ad suitability to make sure that your video follow community guideline. You don't have any harmful or dangerous equipment. Your video does not contain drugs and all of that. So once you read all the terms and conditions, you click on none of the above. Then you submit rating. So once you start submitting your rating, you click on next. Now in this case, if you want to add endnote to your video, now you now click on add. Now we have one video, one subscriber. We have one video, one subscriber, and then we have one playlist, one subscriber, then we have 2 videos. I prefer using 2 videos. Now the 2 videos is now the best for viewers and the most recent upload. So the system will now automatically generate those videos, and I'll click on save. In case of cards, if you want to add cards, you now click on cards. Now you make sure the playhead, you draw it to wherever you want to add your card. If you allow it at this point, or probably 2 minutes interval, it will divert the attention of your audience, and most of them will eventually leave your video to watch the one that pops up. So it is good you take it probably to the end of your video. So once you're done doing that, you now click on video. If it is a video you want to add, if it is a playlist, if it is a channel, if it is a link. In my own case, I want to add a video. Then I'll click on this video, then I'll click on save. Now you proceed and you click on next. You can see you don't have any copyright issue, add suitability, no issue found. You see the check is 100% accurate, no issue found. So you click on next. So once you've done everything, then you click on public, and then let me explain a little something before. If you want to private your video, like probably it's only you that can see it. If you want to unlisted video, then what this means is you can only those people that you send the links to can be able to watch your video. Then if you want to send videos to only the members that subscribe to your channels, and then if you want to send it public, or if you want to schedule your video, then in my own case I want to send it public. So once I click on public, and I'll publish the video right now for the video to go live. Now these are various platforms that you would love to share your videos. So if you have accounts with them, you just make sure you drive audience from those platforms. So even if you don't have, or if you are true, you click on close. This is one of the simplest way in which you can upload and optimize your videos on your YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe, like, and don't forget to share this video.